Now that you've learned a little about arguments, let's discuss brainstorming for your argument. To help start this process, you need to do some brainstorming, which is a process in which the writer first selects a topic, then develops an idea about that topic, next creates a plan to support that topic. That plan includes developing ideas, finding types of evidence, and developing opinions and observations. Finally, you'll start planning connections between those ideas. When brainstorming an argument, the writer must create a claim surrounding their topic. While the claim may originate as an opinion, a supportable argument must be formed. There must be clear facts, observations, and research that support the position. The counter-argument should also be considered and addressed in some way. To form your arguments, you will use the Toolman method. This method includes 4 modal qualifiers. The claim, which is your thesis and position. The grounds are your reasoning. The warrant is evidence and support for your grounds. The backing is made of support and assumptions that are clear and logical. Here's a diagram to show you the breakdown of the Toolman method. At the top is your claim, which is your thesis and position. The grounds beneath are the basis for your topic sentences. The warrants are the facts, examples, and source details that support your topic sentences and thesis. The backing is your analysis and explanation. The rebuttal and counter is the other side of the argument in relation to your position. So the Toolman method begins with the claim. You'll want to answer the questions: what is being claimed, or what is the position, and is the claim clear? Then you'll present the evidence or the grounds for the claim to address these questions. How did you come to your claim or position? What types of observations have you made, or what evidence supports the claim? Next, you must consider what warrants the claim. What does the evidence mean or point to? How does the evidence support or warrant your claim? Finally, your analysis is what backs the claim. Why are your reasons and support relevant? What reasoning makes your position supportable? The Toolman method is effective because when followed correctly, it addresses the counter-argument. To do this, you must state who argues against your position, why they make the argument, and how that position stands up to yours. You must also include your own refutation, meaning you must disprove the other side. To begin drafting, there is a copy of the Toolman worksheet in Canvas, which you are welcome to use to help organize your ideas. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to reviewing what you come up with on the discussion board.